1798 से 1805 एग्रेसिव एक्सपेंशन पॉलिसी, हाई एक्सपेंडिचर मेड ब्रिटिश paramount power, introduced subsidiary alliance system, Indian state kept British troop and paid subsidiary cost, lost foreign policy control, British resident at rulers court, expel other Europeans especially French, state under subsidiary alliance, हैदराबाद 1798, 1801, मैसूर 1799, तंजौर 1799, अवध 1801, पेशवा ट्रीटी ऑफ बसाइन 1802, भोसले 1803, स्किंडिया 1804, फोर्थ एंग्लो मैसूर वार 1799, डिफीटेड टीपू सुल्तान, टीपू किल्ड, restored Hindu Wadiyar dynasty and subsidiary alliance, treaty of Srirangpatnam 1799, large part of Mysore taken rest under subsidiary alliance, second Anglo-Maratha war 1803 से 1805, defeated Scindia, Bhosle and expanded British control in central India, leading to British capture of Delhi, Agra in 1803, Fort William College 1800, established at Calcutta for training company officials, censorship of press act, strict wartime restriction, anticipating Napoleon invasion, Lord Cornwallis second term 1805, to stabilize expansionism of Wellesley, non-intervention, died on 5 October 1805 at Gazipur, Muslim at Gazipur, only George Barlow 1805 से 1807, abandoned subsidiary alliance, reduced British influence in central India to minimize expenditure, treaty of Rajpur Ghat 1805, with Yashwantrao Holkar restoring his treaty, Vellore mutiny 1806, first major Indian military uprising, refused to honor treaty with Rajput against Maratha, गवर्नर ऑफ मद्रास 1808 से 1813, लॉर्ड मिंटो 1807 से 1813, मिशन टू काउंटर नेपोलियनिक थ्रेट, एल्फिंस्टन टू काबुल 1808, मालकॉम टू पर्सिया 1808, सेटन टू सिंध 1809, ट्रीटी ऑफ अमृतसर 1809 विथ रंजीत सिंह, सतलज एज अ बाउंड्री, रंजीत सिंह wanted to expand east, British recognized his supremacy west of it, captured French and Dutch colony Mauritius 1810, reunion 1810, Java 1811, Charter Act 1813, East India trade monopoly ended, except tea and China trade, missionary allowed in India, 1 lakh for Indian education, British sovereignty over East India Company territory affirmed, Lord Hastings 1813 से 23, also known as Francis Ramon Hastings, Anglo-Nepal War 1814 से 16, fought against Gorkha, end with treaty of Sagauli 1816, Nepal ceded Sikkim, Kumaon, Garhwal, Tarai region, British got right to place resident in Kathmandu, Gorkha allowed to join British army, third Anglo-Maratha War 1817 से 19, finally crushed Maratha power, Peshwa Bajirao II exiled to Bithur, Kanpur on pension, Maratha Confederacy dissolved, central India and Rajputana came under British control via subsidiary alliance, Pindari War 1817 से 18, Pindari were mercenary plunder of central India, Rohitbari system introduced in Madras by Thomas Munro, direct settlement with farmer, Raiyat, no middleman like Zamindar, Mahalwari system introduced in UP, Punjab, settlement with village community Mahals, Calcutta Journal by James Silk Buckingham, founded Calcutta School Book Society 1817, Calcutta Hindu College 1817, later become Presidency College, first step toward local self-governance, allowed जमींदार टू फॉर्म लोकल बॉडी, लॉर्ड एमरेस्ट 1823 से 28, फर्स्ट एंग्लो बर्मा बाढ़ 1824 से 26, बर्मीज एक्सपेंशन टुवर्ड असम मणिपुर, चाचर प्रोवोक्ड ब्रिटिश, ended with treaty of Yandabu 1826, Burma ceded Assam, Arakan and Tenasserim, Burma paid 1 crore as bar indemnity, British resident placed at Aba, Burmese capital, first major British expansion in Southeast Asia, siege of Bharatpur 1826, Bharatpur fort Rajasthan captured by Lord Combermere, Barakpur mutiny 1824, Sepoy 47 regiment refused to cross sea, Kala Pani to fight in Burma as it violated Hindu religious belief. Founded Agra as a separate province 1825. Bishop's College, Calcutta 1820. Established during his tenure for Christian missionary education. Resigned following mutiny at Barakpur 1824. Financial strain of Burma by Lord William Bentinck 1828 से 35. चार्टर एक्ट 1833. फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया. Ended East India Company trade monopoly in China and tea trade. Social reform. Abolished सती 1829 by regulation supported by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Suppressed ठगी 1830. Cult of ritual murders worshipping goddess Kali. Colonel Suleiman led the campaign. Abolished female infanticide, child sacrifice. Education. Accepted Macaulay Minute on education 1835. English as a medium of instruction replacing Sanskrit and Persian. Anglistic view on Orientalist. English replaced Persian as official court language. Administration. Abolished provincial court of appeal set up by Cornwallis. Created commissioner of revenue. Circuit instead. Annexed Coorg 1834 due to misrule of its Raja. Annexed Chachar 32. Jaintia Hills 35. Diplomacy. Signed treaty friendship with Ranjit Singh 1831 at Roopnagar. First meeting of Gigi with an Indian ruler on equal terms. Sir Charles Metcalfe 35 से 36. Acting temporary Gigi never formally appointed. Served as bridge between Bentinck and Auckland. Served as resident at Delhi 1811 से 19. Hyderabad. Handled Punjab affairs with Ranjit Singh. Liberator of Indian press. Repealed licensing regulation of 1823 imposed by John Sardam. Removing all restriction on newspaper publishing without prior government approval. Both Indian and English press got full freedom. Lord Auckland 36 से 42. फर्स्ट एंग्लो अफगान वार 38-42. Feared Russian influence in Afghanistan under Dost Muhammad Khan. Issued Simla Manifesto 1838 declaring war. Replaced Dost Muhammad with Shah Shuja, British puppet. British initially captured Kabul 1839 but Afghan revolted. Entire British army of 16,000 massacred during retreat from Kabul. Only Dr. William Brydon survived. Worst military disaster in British Indian history. Dost Muhammad regained power after British withdrawal. Treaty of Tripartite Alliance 1838 between British Ranjit Singh Shah Shuja against Afghanistan. Though Sikh never actively participate. Indigo cultivation extended in Bengal, leading later to Indigo Revolt 1859. लॉर्ड इलनबर्ग 42 से 44. 1842 से 44. इंडियड फर्स्ट एंग्लो अफगान वार 42. दोस्त मोहम्मद रिस्टोर टू पावर इन काबुल. गोट बैक गेट्स ऑफ सोमनाथ फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान. क्लेम टू बी ओरिजिनल गेट लूटेड बाई मोहम्मद ऑफ गजनी. हिस्टोरियन कंसिडर देन रेप्लिका. कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ सिंध 1843. चार्ल्स नेपियर एनेक्स सिंध बट बैटल ऑफ मियानी 1843. Napier said Pekavi, Latin for I have signed, pun on I have sinned. Controversial annexation even criticized within British circle. Gwalior campaign 1843. Defeated Maratha of Gwalior after battle of Maharajpur. Lord Hardinge 1844 से 48. फर्स्ट एंग्लो सिख वार 45 से 46. सिख क्रॉस सतलज रिवर प्रोविंग ब्रिटिश. बैटल ऑफ मुड की 45. फिरोज शाह 45. अलीवाल 46. सोब्रॉन 46. फाउट इन द ट्रीटी ऑफ लाहौर 40. सिख सेडेड जलंधर द्वाब. रिड्यूस आर्मी. पेड 1.5 करोड़ बाढ़ इंडेमनिटी. कश्मीर सोल्ड टू गुलाब सिंह फॉर 75 लाख वाया ट्रीटी ऑफ अमृतसर making him Maharaj of Kashmir. Banned female infanticide, human sacrifice in East India Company territory. Promoted English education over Oriental. Encouraged Western education for government job. Prohibited recruitment of child soldier below 8 years in East India Company Army.